Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to AI Web Explorer. Today we're diving headfirst into the future of image editing. Forget everything you thought you knew about complex layers and filters because AI is changing the game. We're exploring the top 5 AI image editing tools that are about to make Photoshop look like a relic of the past. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, stick around to find out which AI tool deserves a spot in your creative arsenal. Let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with Luminar AI, a powerful editing software that's been generating a ton of buzz in the creative world. This isn't just another editing app, it's a complete reimagining of the editing process, powered by the intelligence of artificial intelligence. Luminar AI can recognize elements like skies, faces, objects, and even the overall mood of your image. This means no more tedious selections or masking. Luminar AI can isolate and adjust specific areas with incredible accuracy. Want to swap out a boring sky for a dramatic sunset? Luminar AI's AI sky replacement can do that in seconds, with realistic lighting and reflections. Need to enhance a portrait? Its AI Portrait Enhancer can retouch skin, enhance eyes, and even adjust lighting with just a few clicks. And the best part? Luminar AI is incredibly user-friendly. Its interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to make even the most advanced editing techniques accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll be blown away by how easy it is to achieve stunning results. Luminar AI isn't trying to be Photoshop, it's offering a completely different approach to editing, one that's faster, more intuitive, and arguably more fun. While Photoshop is undoubtedly a powerhouse, its sheer complexity can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. Luminar AI, on the other hand, streamlines the entire process, letting you focus on the creative side of editing rather than getting bogged down in technical details. Jump into the Luminar AI free trial and experience the future of editing firsthand. You might be surprised at how easy it is to create professional-looking images, even if you're just starting out. And hey, if you're already a Photoshop pro, don't dismiss Luminar AI just yet. It's a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal for quick edits, creative explorations, and even as a complement to your existing workflow. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, give Luminar AI a try. It might just change the way you edit forever. Let's move on to the next tool. Next up is DeepArt, and let me tell you, this one is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and art. Imagine transforming your photos into masterpieces inspired by the styles of Van Gogh, Monet, or Picasso. That's exactly what DeepArt brings to the table. DeepArt utilizes the power of neural networks, a form of AI that learns and adapts based on the data it's trained on. In this case, DeepArt's neural networks have been trained on a massive dataset of famous artworks, allowing them to understand and replicate different artistic styles with astonishing accuracy. You upload your photo, choose an art style you want to apply, and DeepArt's neural network gets to work. It analyzes your image, deconstructs it, and then reconstructs it in the chosen style, preserving the essence of your photo while infusing it with the artist's signature brush strokes, color palettes, and overall aesthetic. The results are simply stunning. You can transform a simple landscape into an impressionistic masterpiece, turn a portrait into a cubist work of art, or even give your pet photos a touch of Renaissance flair. The possibilities are literally limited only by your imagination. By experimenting with different styles and parameters, you can create truly unique and mesmerizing artwork that blends your vision with the essence of art history. Of course, no AI tool is perfect, and DeepArt does have its limitations. The processing time can vary depending on the complexity of the image and the chosen style, sometimes taking several hours to complete. But trust me, the wait is worth it. If you're looking to add a touch of artistic flair to your photos, or if you're an artist looking for new ways to experiment and push your creative boundaries, DeepArt is an absolute must-try. It's a testament to the incredible potential of AI in the realm of art and creativity. Chapter 3, Artisto Real-Time AI Magic for Videos and Photos. Alright, let's talk about Artisto, the AI image editing tool that's all about instant gratification. We've seen how AI can transform photos into works of art, but Artisto takes it a step further by bringing that same magic to videos, and in real time. Imagine applying those mind-blowing artistic styles we saw with DeepArt, but instead of a static image, you're seeing it happen live on your video footage. That's the power of Artisto. It can transform your everyday videos into moving masterpieces, adding a whole new dimension to your creative projects. But Artisto's capabilities extend beyond just artistic styles. It also offers a range of AI-powered filters and effects that can enhance your videos and photos in ways you never thought possible. Want to smooth out shaky footage? Artisto's got you covered. Need to brighten up a dark video? No problem. Artisto's AI algorithms can analyze and adjust your footage on the fly, delivering professional-looking results with minimal effort. The app is incredibly intuitive, with a simple drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to apply effects and preview your creations in real time. You don't need any prior editing experience to jump in and start creating. Whether you're a social media enthusiast looking to spice up your content, a filmmaker experimenting with new visual styles, or just someone who loves playing with creative tools, Artisto is definitely worth checking out. It's a fun, powerful, and accessible way to unleash your creativity and transform your videos and photos into something truly unique. Chapter 4. Let's enhance upscaling and enhancing images with AI precision. Let's be real, we've all been there. You stumble upon an old photo with sentimental value, but it's low resolution, pixelated, and just doesn't do justice to the memory it holds. Well, say goodbye to those blurry disappointments because Let's Enhance is here to save the day. This AI-powered tool specializes in one thing, and it does it exceptionally well: image upscaling and enhancement. Forget about those clunky old tools that would leave your upscaled images looking like a blurry mess. Let's Enhance uses the power of machine learning to intelligently increase image resolution while preserving details and even enhancing overall quality. The magic lies in Let's Enhance's sophisticated algorithms. They've been trained on millions of images, learning to recognize and understand the intricate details that make up a high-quality image. When you upload a photo, Let's Enhance doesn't just stretch and blur the existing pixels. It analyzes the image, identifies areas that need improvement, and then intelligently adds new pixels based on its vast knowledge base. The results are nothing short of remarkable. You can take a grainy, low-resolution image and upscale it up to 4 times its original size without losing any detail. In fact, Let's Enhance often enhances the image quality, making it look sharper, clearer, and more vibrant than the original. But it's not just about rescuing old photos. Let's Enhance is also a valuable tool for photographers, designers, and anyone who works with images regularly. Need to enlarge a photo for printing? Let's Enhance can handle it without sacrificing quality. Want to improve the resolution of a web graphic? Let's Enhance can make it happen. So, whether you're looking to breathe new life into old memories, enhance your professional work, or simply explore the possibilities of AI-powered image enhancement, Let's Enhance is a tool you need to check out. Chapter 5. Runway ML, the AI playground for creative minds. Finally, we arrive at Runway ML, and this one's for all the creative pioneers out there, the ones who love pushing the boundaries and exploring the bleeding edge of technology. Runway ML isn't just another editing tool, it's a complete creative suite that puts the power of artificial intelligence directly into the hands of artists, designers, filmmakers, and anyone with a passion for innovation. Think of Runway ML as a playground for experimenting with the latest advancements in AI, from video generation and style transfer to object detection and motion capture. It's a constantly evolving platform that provides access to a vast library of AI models, tools, and resources, empowering you to create things that were previously unimaginable. One of the most exciting aspects of Runway ML is its accessibility. You don't need to be a coding wizard or an AI expert to harness its power. Runway ML's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, experiment with different models, and integrate AI into your creative workflow. Imagine generating realistic video footage from scratch, simply by describing what you want to see. Or how about training an AI model to recognize your movements and use them to control animations or visual effects in real time? With Runway ML, these seemingly futuristic concepts become a reality. Runway ML is also a powerful tool for solving real-world creative challenges. Need to remove an unwanted object from a video seamlessly? Runway ML's object detection models can do that with incredible accuracy. The beauty of Runway ML lies in its open-ended nature. Whether you're a seasoned creative professional or just starting out, Runway ML provides the tools and resources you need to bring your wildest creative visions to life. So there you have it. The top 5 AI image editing tools that are changing the game and making Photoshop look like a dinosaur. From simplifying complex edits to transforming photos into works of art, these AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the way we create and edit images. If you're as excited about the future of image editing as I am, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Web Explorer for more cutting-edge tech explorations, and let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of AI image editing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and always stay curious.